Hey friends, in this video I will show you that how you can use AI to create stunning YouTube thumbnails. So you can navigate to this website that is called thumbnailcreator.com, and here you can see it's simple and low click-through rates, because if you have if you are using poor thumbnails, then you have low click-through rates. And just because of some designing skills you don't have, therefore you are uploading low quality thumbnails, and therefore you are missing a lot of viewers. You are stop losing views to bad thumbnails. So here we can start. For create your first thumbnail, here you can click, and the sign up process will start. So here you can type your name, and here email, and here you can type your password and verify you are human and create account. So please check your email. So I will type here the code that I received on email. So once you click on the verification email, or if you copy paste the code, so now you can see the email is verified. So you can see that your email has been successfully verified. So now you can log into your account. So back to login, and here we will type our email and the password, and we now just log in. So the sign up registration process we have done. And if you click on create your first thumbnail now, so you can see we have now navigated to the thumbnailcreator.com dashboard. And here you can see 3 plans. So starter, creator, pro, agency. But here you can see start creating amazing thumbnails, want to try for free first. So it's free for 7 days with 10 credits. So 10 AI thumbnails, full pro features, and you can cancel anytime. But if you want, you can upgrade. So you can click on free trial and start creating amazing thumbnails. So this is the Stripe checkout for today. It's $0. So you will have to process this. I will process, and then will show you the next screen. No worries, they will not charge, because today is $0. Only if you plan to proceed after 7 days, then they will proceed. Otherwise, you can cancel anytime this subscription. So I just entered my card, details, bank details. Now you can see the organization details. So they are asking for some organization details, for example. Next step, choose your theme. You can select light, dark, or system theme. By default it's selected. Next step, and phone, if you want, you can type here, otherwise it's not mandatory, and then click on finish. Now you can see, even you can join their affiliate program. So even someone sign up through your referral link, so and once they upgrade, so you will definitely earn 20% commission plus lifetime recurring revenue also. This is this is an incredible way on this platform also to make money online if you want. But in this video we were talking about the thumbnail. So here you can see create thumbnail with AI and thumbnail creator, style inspiration, and a lot of things here. So but we will see what is AI generate create thumbnails with AI. So we can click here. Now free trial is active, 10 left, 10 of 10 generations remaining, and it will end on September 18. And you can extract from YouTube video, paste a YouTube URL video ID to extract the thumbnail and edit it. This is the first way. And the second, or generate with AI. So you can type here your thumbnail idea. Now I know that the video I'm gonna upload on YouTube will be about the digital media marketing course, for instance. I will type here. You can see the example here, like a futuristic cityscape at dusk, or surprised cat looking at giant ball of yarn. So you can describe the key elements and style you envision for your thumbnail. So I will type here like modern YouTube thumbnail for digital media marketing course. Bold text, social media icons, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and the colors, neon colors, and futuristic background, and professional and eye-catching design. Now there could be like 3 variations or 2 variations if you want one. So because you have 10, so if you create like 3, so it will remain like 10, right now 10 left, so we can use up to 5, for instance, in one time. So it's up to you. If you only want one, so you can, but I'm showing for video lecture, so I will just create 3. So generate 3 thumbnails. It's generating 3 thumbnails now. So we can select one of them that could be uploaded in our video. If you select like 2 or 3, so maybe sometimes your prompt will type something like you can see here, digital riches, okay, with social icons, you can see, and and neon colors, also futuristic background, you can see. So you can see your recent thumbnails here in the home, and you can edit them, you can auto optimize here, and you can also go to thumbnail creator. So you can also upload your image, generate image here, and you can type here, so different things like home, AI generate, thumbnail creator, style inspiration, and generate thumbnail variations if you want. So you can also extract thumbnails from YouTube videos, thumbnail creator, for example, generate, and here if I type, for example, creative thumbnail for digital marketing training, businessman holding laptop with social media icons flying, colorful gradient background, bold attention grabbing text, and generate thumbnail. So it will generate thumbnail. So it's up to you. As I showed you different things, so you can use them, create variations. So you can create variations from here. So you can drop your thumbnail here, and it will create 3 variations of that thumbnail. So this is an incredible way to generate thumbnails for your videos. And you can see here now, see this is in the recent thumbnails, showing thumbnail DM secrets, digital marketing secrets, and you can see businessman holding the laptop with social media icons flying. It's amazing, it looks stunning. So we can use this in our videos. And if you click on view all, so you can view all thumbnails that you created. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.